AI isn't just changing how we work. It's changing how secure we feel at work. And for a lot of people, that does not feel exciting. It feels threatening. But here's what most people don't realize. That fear that you're feeling about AI, it's not really about AI. Welcome to the Fearless Stress Lab. I'm Dr. Rebecca Heiss, and here we run experiments to unpack exactly what stress is doing in your body and how to begin to use it on purpose. When people talk about AI replacing jobs, automating tasks, or reshaping industries, your brain hears one thing: uncertainty. And uncertainty is one of the fastest ways to trigger a stress response, because your brain is constantly asking, am I safe? Or am I under threat? And when the future feels unpredictable, uncertain, it leans toward threat. We've always had change in the workplace, but AI feels different for two reasons. Speed, it's happening fast, and ambiguity. We don't fully understand where it leads, and your brain doesn't like either of those things because it prefers predictable control, clear outcomes. AI disrupts all of that. So what happens? Well, your stress response activates, your heart rate increases, cortisol surges, your attention narrows, and you might notice overthinking, avoidance, resistance to change, or even complete shutdown. Not because you're not capable, but because your brain is trying to protect you. Here's the paradox. The biggest risk with AI isn't AI itself. It's how we respond to it. Because when we interpret uncertainty as threat, we avoid, we resist, we disengage. And that's exactly what limits growth. But there's another way to interpret this. Instead of, oh gosh, AI is going to replace me, try, AI is going to require me to adapt. Because your stress response isn't just defensive. It's adaptive. It can play offense. It's preparing you to learn, to grow, to adjust, to respond. So what can you actually do? Ask yourself, what's one way that I can engage with this change instead of avoid it? How can you lean in, learn a new tool, ask a question, experiment, start small, just play? Because action does something powerful. It creates agency and it gives your brain evidence that you can handle this. And that shifts your entire response. AI isn't just a technological shift, it's a psychological one as well. And the people who will thrive won't be the ones who avoid the stress. They'll be the ones who learn to use it. So if AI feels overwhelming right now, you're in good company. And you're not behind. You're in the middle of adaptation. And that's exactly where growth happens. So stay stressed, my friends, but let's all learn to fear it just a little bit less.